Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best waterproof cameras. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option for the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the waterproof cameras in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best waterproof cameras on the market right now. Coming in at number 5, Ricoh WG60 waterproof camera. The coolest bit about the Ricoh WG60 waterproof camera is its dedicated microscope mode. By utilizing the built-in LED lights around the camera's sensor, it gives you the option to capture immersive macro photos outdoors and underwater. I only wish that its lens had built-in image stabilization. The 16-megapixel images captured by the Ricoh WG60 look great when snapped in good lighting. With f3.3 maximum aperture, the camera isn't well equipped for low-light photography without a flash. The video recording capabilities of the WG60 topped out at full HD resolution. Available in black and red, the Ricoh WG60 lacks the wireless connectivity options found in most of its competitors. Considering its price tag, the camera could have used a higher resolution LCD display too. Coming in at number 4, GoPro Hero 8 Black. GoPro's all-new Hero 8 Black is the best waterproof camera for capturing video. It's capable of recording great quality 4K content at up to a brisk 60 frames per second. Most importantly, in line with GoPro's action sport credentials, the Hero 8 Video features superb image stabilization tech. Rather impressively, the latter is even better than the one used in the device's already fantastic predecessor. Reviewers from TechRadar praised the image stabilization and the refreshed design of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. The camera is universally regarded as a top pick in its product category. The camera can also capture 12-megapixel still images with good quality and well-balanced dynamic range. You can also get fancy slow-mo videos and artistic time warp footage. There's even an option to live stream your adventures to Facebook and YouTube. We like the convenient touchscreen controls of the GoPro Hero 8 Black, as well as the ability to fully control the gadget with voice commands. The camera stores the content on a micro SD card. The Hero 8 Black is waterproof, up to 33 feet without a housing. And an optional GoPro housing extends the depth rating of the gadget to a whopping 196 feet. Like all GoPro cameras before it, the Hero 8 Black is backed by an excellent selection of original and third-party accessories. With the Hero 8 Black, GoPro also introduced a trio of modular accessory mods that are tailor-made for the camera. They include a front-facing display mod, an LED light mod, and a media mod with a plethora of handy ports. The Hero 8 mods will become available to order in the next weeks ahead. Number 3, Nikon Coolpix W300. The Nikon Coolpix W300 can withstand depths up to a rather amazing 100 feet, the most of any other option on this list. It can also survive heavy drops and freezing temperatures. As expected from a Nikon, the Coolpix W300 can capture 16-megapixel still images with excellent quality, as well as 4K video. It also has 5 times magnification optical zoom, which can come in pretty handy during your adventures. The gadget impressed the industry experts from Digital Photography Review with its high-quality optics and tough build. Compared to the Olympus Tough TG6, the Nikon Coolpix can capture higher resolution images with more versatile zoom range. But the TG6 has a brighter lens, f2.0 versus f 2.8 in the Nikon, as well as the ability to shoot photos with higher ISO, so it's better in low light photography. The Olympus also has higher burst capture capabilities than the Nikon, 20 versus 7 frames per second. The W300 does have GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless smartphone connectivity. The rest of its highlights include a 3-inch LCD display and a quartet of environmental sensors whose data you can add to your images. They include a barometer, a compass, a built-in depth gauge, and a thermometer. Nikon offers the camera in black, yellow, and orange. Coming in at number 2, Fujifilm Finepix XP140. Because you need a few extra dollars in your pocket to splurge on activities actually worth capturing, the Fujifilm Finepix XP140 is one of our favorite waterproof cameras available. It's offered at a really attractive price point, slightly north of $200, yet still offers a rugged body with an excellent waterproof rating coupled with an excellent set of features. The XP140 can capture nice 16-megapixel photos in good lighting, but despite the built-in optical image stabilization, the camera's low-light performance might underwhelm you due to a rather unimpressive f3.9 maximum aperture of its lens. Also, the 4K video capture capabilities of the camera top out only 15 frames per second. You'll probably be better off recording full HD video at a considerably brisker 60 frames per second. The Finepix XP140 does offer a host of modes to capture photos with, including dedicated underwater and macro modes, and a rather artistic double exposure mode, among others. In-camera filters are also available. Other key features of the Fujifilm Finepix XP140 include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless content transfer to a smartphone or a tablet, and a 3-inch LCD display. The latter has an anti-reflective coating for enhanced visibility outdoors. Number 1. Olympus Tough TG6. The Olympus Tough TG6 is everything you'd want in a waterproof camera. It delivers photos and video with excellent quality, has a rich set of features designed for making the most of your adventures, and has the toughest build of any camera on this list. The pros at Digital Photography Review also listed the Olympus Tough TG6 as the top waterproof camera. The TG6 can capture excellent 12-megapixel stills and up to a whopping 20 frames per second, as well as ultra-crisp 4K video via a 4x magnification optical zoom lens with f2.0 aperture. Microscope mode for ultra close-up shooting is also among the camera's features, as is the ability to capture panoramas and time-lapses. Advanced photographers have the option to save their images in RAW file format for more extensive edits. Of course, there's also the option to take underwater photos via a quartet of dedicated modes. The camera is waterproof up to 50 feet, so you can take it snorkeling with you. The rest of the camera's highlights include Wi-Fi for smartphone connectivity via an app, GPS, a built-in e-compass, and a temperature sensor. You can embed data from the sensors in your images when you edit them, thanks to a dedicated app by Olympus. And the 3-inch LCD display means navigating through all the camera's features is easy. The screen is considerably sharper than ones found in the device's predecessor. Lastly, the Olympus Tough TG6 comes with a cool selection of original accessories, which can expand its capabilities even further. They include a tough telephoto converter and a macro ring light, among others. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best waterproof camera. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.